Good time trying to make a video. Hey guys, hey, what's up? Back with another video. As you guys can tell, the last video, dropped. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to say about that, but yeah. So we're gonna be playing some Roblox, as you guys can tell. So yeah. As you guys can tell, we're gonna be playing Jailbreak today, and this. Why did I? Just kidding. All right. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I hurt my heels, and if you see me holding something the whole entire time, it's my heel. Just gonna have a quick video today, as I said before. It's not gonna be too long. Look at this little man's over here. Hello, little man's. How you doing, little man's? You suck. You really do, officer. I suck at typing. I really suck. You know what? Screw this, guys. Let's play something else. You guys are probably getting bored of me being arrested. So, hold up. Hold on. I'll see you guys when we hop into the next game. So, all right. So now we back where we were again, but not the game. But I'm back where I was. But so we're gonna be playing. You know what I mean? It's the, oh my god, you got some big, those, don't, just try not to get those cheeks clapped, alright? Alright, there we go. Never mind. Hi sir, how are you today? Oh, this again. Oh, oh, and he puked on us. I'll see you. I enjoyed that anyways. Let's go to the shop and see what we buy. Can't even see. Beautiful. Wonderful. Love it. Alright. Most of my videos are copyrighted. So. Not most, but a few. Just run! Okay, then sounds is glitching out, but just gonna go back in. Can't even go first person. Okay, I guess I can. Excuse me. Oh, it's you, huh? Oh my god, just came busting through the door. I got scared. Hi, come here. Fine then. Oh, it's a black hole! Ah! I don't want to go back in there! Oh, it's this one. Ah! What's happening? It's scary. Very scary. Let's just press this button. Someone died! Oh, what the chicken do? Did he just walk into? Oh, I was about to. What? What? Oh, I was about to say. Come get me! Come get me! Kill me! See, guys, this is what lag. This is the real deal. Put that real deal out here. Oh. See what I mean? This game's glitched. I'm gonna join a different game. Oh my god. Turns out, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. Oh my god. There's no hope in saving my Roblox, okay? Because right now it's so laggy, can't even join in. I've been waiting for like the past 5 minutes already. Haven't loaded into Phantom Forces, as you guys can tell. So that's a little bit of content, little bit of content for you guys, as you guys can tell. So,
I want to take poison, man. It's kind of hard to
so I'll see you guys later. Next video. Yeah, at least this is a video. It's content, okay? So yeah.
I'm gonna let him throw it. I want to break it.
I need to end my video.